Hi folks, welcome to Greg's Workshop. I'm Greg, and today I'm going to show you an easy upgrade you can do to your travel trailer. At the end of our last camping trip, when I was getting the trailer hooked back up to the truck to go home, I broke the shear pin in here. It's a little roll pin. I could replace it, make this work again, but honestly, this jack's about 25 years old. It's got some sticky spots. I don't want to deal with it, plus I'm tired of cranking it. So I bought an electric one, and I'm going to show you how to install it.
First step is to remove the old jack, and there's nothing like an impact wrench to take out rusty bolts.
Now, if my jack still had the foot on it, I would have to take that off to get it out of the hole, but that foot is long gone, so easy enough. So what I've got is a Lippert electric jack. It wires straight into the battery on the trailer. Additionally, you can plug in a power cord and run it off of the 7-way RV connector on your tow vehicle, in case you don't want to use those batteries or they're dead. And then beyond that, has a spot for a hand crank in case you don't have any power at all. So the jack comes with its own bolts. They're a little bit longer than the old ones. These couplers are actually threaded, so there's no nut on the underside. We're just going to go start out finger tight for now. I'm going to get my impact wrench in there. This one, I just got it from Milwaukee, and it's got a cool setting where it'll torque down to about 30 foot-pounds, and then it'll just stop, so you don't end up over torquing the bolt. So we'll do that, and then I'll get a torque wrench on it and get it tightened down properly. Next, we'll put on the foot. Line up the holes, put the pin through, and a little clip on the back side. Very good. And lastly, the electrical connection. It's powered by a 10-gauge wire. Got my yellow 10 to 12 gauge ring terminal. Give that a good squeeze. And get it put on. I don't know if you can see it in this video, or from this camera angle rather. They use kind of the electrical wiring schematic or color coding for the DC on this trailer. So white is actually ground like it would be in a 120 circuit, and black is hot. So we'll just put that on the hot side and get the nut tightened down. Moment of truth. See how it does. Boy, it doesn't move very quick, does it? Well, that worked pretty well. Another cool feature of this jack is that it has a storage spot for your trailer plug and for your safety chains, so they're not dragging on the ground. You don't have to coil them up. One downside to this is going to be, I don't think I'm going to be able to put my tailgate down with the trailer hooked up. With the old one, this box wasn't here, so the tailgate would just barely open as long as we were straight. I don't think that's going to work anymore, so that'll just be something to keep an eye on. Folks, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notified of new videos every other Saturday for now. Leave a comment or question down below, and I'll see you in 2 weeks on Greg's Workshop.